Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a very long time, almost a whole year since I've been here on YouTube uploading videos. One of my goals for this year is to be more regular. I miss it so much. I feel like so much has happened, so much has changed. I feel like I need to do like a serious life update. My kids are so grown up. My baby is not a baby. She's like 1.5. And last time I was making videos, she was just a little newborn. And that kind of makes me so sad because I feel like I've missed a whole chapter of our life. But I think we can all agree that 2020 has been a really weird and hard year. So thank you guys for sticking around and still being here to watch the videos that I have to share with you. So one of the huge changes that has happened for our family is that we are moving. It's like a little bittersweet, but it's mostly just really good. I'm here at the new house. It's being built right now, and I just decided like the other day, I was like, I think I'm gonna share this. So hopefully this is like fun for you to see and entertaining. I personally love watching people go through their build and their house and the things that they chose and the struggles that come along with it and all of that. So hopefully you guys enjoy this too. The house, I'm going to show you guys everything. It's just in the beginning stages. They've been working on it for just like maybe 2 months now. So we're really in the beginning. But it's starting to come together, and that's why it's getting exciting, and why I'm like I should show them. If I'm going to show them, I need to start now. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. Like I said, it's bittersweet because we seriously love our neighbors and we love our home that we're in now. We've made so many memories there, and really the only reason that we decided to move is we just saw the opportunity, and the area that we live in, the growth is just insane. It's out of control. So it's really scary to think like if you don't make the next step, then you might get stuck, and not stuck, but it'll be hard to keep going because the market is just crazy. It's like you have to keep growing with it. But like I said, we have outgrown our house for sure. Our family's grown so much since we bought our first house, and that's obviously an amazing thing, and that's all good stuff. So this house is just gives us a little bit more room, and it's literally less than I think it's probably a half a mile away from our old house. I can almost see them building this one from our old house. We just love so much where we live, so it was an easy move for us to make because we're still so close to where all the things that we love. We love the community, we love the mountains are all around us. They're so beautiful, and then there's a lake right next to us, so we have such a good view of the lake from here, and so it's just a nice area to live in, and we're super happy that we are staying close, and also staying super close to our families. Our families live really close to us now, and we're staying really close, so we love that. Anyways, I'm gonna start to show you the house, and as it progresses, I'll try to stay on top of it and keep you guys updated if you want. It is so fun for me to see it come together, but it makes me so nervous to think about my design choices, if they're all gonna come together in the end, if it's what I was envisioning. Some of the things I originally picked, it's too late to change because orders have already been made, and I'm kind of wishing I would have changed a few things. And then there's a few things that once we move in, we have plans to change, just because it's easier to customize it after the fact than do it all in the beginning. So I'll try to keep you guys updated along with all that, but let's go check out the house. It is freezing out here. We just got a big snow last night, but I wanted to show you right back there, if you can see, there's the lake, kind of where those trees are. So the lake is super close, and then here's our house. I'm really excited. Here it is. Like I said, it's really just in the beginning stages. It's not much. They are working on the first floor. They just started framing some of the garage over there, and then they'll start on the second floor, I'm sure, probably tomorrow. But here's my roof. Not a whole lot to see, but let's go in. This is actually my first time that I will be going in the house, because before there just wasn't much to see, but I am curious to go in now. I think this is just wood I'm walking on, which makes me a little nervous. The porch hasn't been laid, so that's one of the things I guess I'll show you I'm excited about. There's gonna be a little patio, and then we'll have a nice big yard back there, which I'm also excited about just for the kids. But yeah, so here's the front door, And there's my front porch that I probably shouldn't have walked on because that's literally like wet wood. I'm sure it's safe. But they'll lay concrete and then there will be like cute little porch, which I'm excited about. Okay, and then don't know how well I can show all this, but as you come in the front door, on this side, there's like a little office or small living room, whatever you want it to be. And we'll have like French doors right there. And then one of my favorite details about the house is that the ceiling will be high. So I guess you can see easier if I come on this side, but see how there's like a window up there. So the ceilings will be really high. And then on either side, there's going to be like a loft on one side and a bedroom on the other. But yeah, this will probably be, ideally, it'll probably be like a small living room, just like for company or maybe like a piano room or something. But Juan also wants to call it his office, but I kind of want to claim it for myself. So, wow, my house has snow in it. That can't be good, right? Okay, so then you just keep walking. Okay, I'm freezing. Can you hear how cold I am? Here is walkway to the master bedroom. So there's some closets here. I know it's really hard to envision. I will do a better job of updating this when things are way more visible. But so then you walk into the bedroom, and then over here is the master bathroom. And it's, to me, this is huge. Our bathroom now is not even like half this size, so it's crazy. So there's a shower in there. No, that's actually, excuse me, where the toilet's gonna be. Can you hear me crunching the snow? It is so cold. There's probably my new neighbors driving by. There's a lot of people I think who are building, who are like scouting out their houses. There's another one. Okay, so bedroom. Then this room in the middle is the closet, and it's seriously like, I'm gonna have to probably buy a lot more clothes because I will not be able to fill this. I'm totally kidding. But one of the things we did add was these windows, which I'm really glad we added. And then I don't know how it will come, like what kind of shelving it will come with, but this is one of the things I'm kind of really excited to customize, is like make it a super functional what is it? Closet. I was even thinking we could put like an island type thing in the middle that could have drawers and stuff. It would be really cool. So I'm really excited about this. I had no idea that it was going to be so large, but I'm very happy about it. Okay, and then over here is the master bedroom. So I love it. It has lots of windows, and like I said, we have amazing views of the mountains. Right now they are covered in a snow cloud, but otherwise, even with the clouds, they're just surrounding us. And again, there's the front door. So this is all garage, and then there's more garage like around the corner. So yeah, so here's like the hall into the, I wonder how safe this is for me to be walking through right now. This is the living room, which I am so excited about. It'll just be like super open. We'll have a fireplace, which we don't have now, so that's something I'm really happy, excited for. And then as you can see, this is the beginning of the stairs that will go, they'll go up here, like where this is, and then up to the second floor. And we don't have a second floor, so we'll come back for that later. And then this will also be the stairs down to the basement. And we also have big plans for the basement, and that will be another day though. We're gonna finish that after we move in. So yeah, so here's the living room. Here is a mud room. So if you're in Utah, a mud room is super normal. If you're in other places, I think people think it's kind of a weird thing, but it's really normal here in Utah where everyone has big families. But as you can see, you can come in the garage, and then yeah, so this will be like locker, storage unit, stuff like that for kids to like drop off. And then I love that they put a bathroom in here so the kids can like wash their hands when they come in from school, or like I can be like, go to the bathroom and get in the car. I'm sure if you're a mom, you know what I mean, but like that's like a huge thing. Like everyone go potty, get in the car. Okay, so then here is the kitchen. And okay, so one thing, okay, it's just like a big square, and I'm trying to figure out where it's safe for me to like be walking. Okay, so here's like the dining room, I guess. Technically, it's more like just like a in kitchen dining. It's not really like a formal dining room. But there's the back door to the backyard, and then there's our backyard. And that will be another huge project that we get to do. But I love these big windows that just like keep everything super open. And then I'm excited because the sun is going to rise in the back of the house, and then it's going to set in the front of the house, which I'm just really, in the winter we'll get that warm in the morning, and then in the summer we won't have that super hot sun beating in on us. So I'm really excited about that. It was kind of like hard to pick which lot we wanted and the direction we wanted the house to face, but that is what we ultimately decided. Okay, so here's the kitchen. It's really hard to tell what it's going to look like. I honestly don't even know either, because obviously I haven't walked through a house like mine before. But there will be like a long island along here, and then some fridges and stuff. So fridges, stoves, ovens, the works. Okay, so in here is a pantry, and I'm really excited about having a nice big pantry too. One thing I need to make sure they do is we ordered for them to build a Costco pantry door. So like that's one of the things we asked them to do. So I don't know if they do that in a minute or if they forgot to do it, but I'm glad I'm here so that I can see whether or not they're doing that right. So yeah, that will be a little door, because I don't know if you can see, but there's the garage. So when I like park, I can like load in the groceries through there instead of like bringing them all through the house, which will be so nice. So I can put all the food right in the pantry, and then it's already in the kitchen. Okay, I'm like freezing right now, but that's it. That's like the house for now. There's not a whole lot to see, but I'm excited to watch it as it progresses. They're actually going really fast. They did all of this as far as like the framing goes, they did all of this in like a week maybe, and then they were like laying the foundation and doing the bearings and stuff like that. I don't know all the terminology but I'm just going into the garage, so there's a few more things maybe I would want to show you. This was a fun feature of this house that we chose. The garage, as you can see, the front of the house is over there facing that way, and the garage is just facing out to the streets. So we have like the garage, instead of coming off the front of the house, it comes off the side, which I think is fun. And then we have a third garage spot over here, which I am super excited about because I could turn it into a lot of different things. I've kind of like don't know if I want it to just be storage, or it could be like for all our bikes. I like the idea of making like a home gym in here, or I don't know. The options are endless. So I think this is a fun little addition to have, just a little extra garage. And then another thing we added were, I guess technically I can go in the basement. I'm just a little nervous because it's dark. Another thing we added was an entrance into the basement. So here it is. I'm not gonna go in there because I'm a little bit scared, but it kind of like wraps around, and then there's like more rooms over there. But yeah, this is it so far.